Now, as you can see, we've already gotten well underway here, so let's have a look at what we got going on. As we can see here, we have our text and we have the St. Louis Arch behind it, so let's get out of this tool here. Let's hit Command D to deselect this. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new layer. And on our new layer, just come down here and we'll hit New, like so. And with our, hit G for our paintbrush tool, our fill bucket, let's see, oh, it's in light mode. Let's take this back up and go to normal mode. There we go. Now let's paint it. Well, now it's going to take a couple of clicks to get that sucker painted. Oh, because the opacity was down. Let's turn the opacity all the way up. There we go. Now our layer is definitely black. So let's hit V and get out of our tool here. And let's come up here and select our text by hitting Alt and swinging it over the picture like so. Or hitting Command, swinging it over the picture. And there we go. We have it selected. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause here and we'll pick this up in the next part.